To register fingerprint, so you can use it to unlock your phone in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen. Tap screen lock. As a note, you can use fingerprint if you use PIN or password or pattern as your screen lock. Thus, you need to enter your current screen lock so you can do some change in your screen lock setting. Tap fingerprint. Tap continue. Next, tap register. To get the best scan, press with the pad of your finger inside the circle, then leave it when the circle is fully highlighted. Repeat this action until you reach 100%. Tap down button to save the registered fingerprint. Now your phone is secured with your current screen lock and also fingerprint as the alternative screen lock, which means you can unlock your phone by entering your screen lock such as PIN, password, or pattern, or by scanning your finger that you have registered before in the fingerprint scanner. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.